Thanks, but I don't need it. Oakla. Oh, video.
Selfie stick. It's my turn. You guys.
Where is it? Where's the man?
Oh, I've already got you.
Turn.
Can I have that black?
Yeah.
I'll take that black again.
No! And it's a white. Oh, I had the. Oh, no, I didn't have the black. That's why I was going orange and black. So.
I can't.
Okay. Excuse me.
2 red.
Okay.
Jaden, what are you looking at, baby?
Yep.
Look at Daddy.
Normal.
5-7.
Yeah, you barely won.
But I still
did
won.
everything I
I still
could.
beat you every time.
Great job. Show Daddy. You're getting better at writing it. But you forgot a letter in your name.
I did it right.
What letter do you forget all the time?
Well,
Can I see the paper again?
oh, guess what? I know how to draw Fox's name.
The light's in the way. It makes it look horrible quality.
I draw it
I
again.
can't complain too much
I
about
draw
it.
it again.
Yep. Show me how you write it. Put it down
Yeah,
on the
same
table and
with
show me
one.
how you write it.
If I got longest road.
I'm making Fox's name.
So we would have all been tied for second if Isaac won longest road.
Good job.
Because he went to black too.
Oh.
No, because
Nope, there's no line on it, no.
So we could.
That's an A.
Around.
That cooler that's out there that has your flipper stuff on it and that?
What's Ann?
She's spelling
And whatever you don't take for food.
Dad's name.
Smoking fish.
Can't be right.
Smoke it.
Okay. Well,
How is it?
It's gonna taste.
Perch is really good.
Make sure you save some of that perch for Jaden. He got
Oh.
it.
I want to know if it's done or not.
in the two.
Cause you know how fish.
People eat fish raw.
That's true, but it's supposed to be like 145 in the middle.
Oh gosh.
Do you guys want bread or something? Or you guys gonna eat?
Probably cool down.
You're fine.
Crack on the
Is this the fish you caught? Okay, let's try it and see how yummy it is. See how good of a job you did.
It tastes good.
Is it so good? You like fish? Did you take the bones out of that?
Don't find any in there. If you find a bone in there, just put it on your plate.
Hey, there's bones in a fish and food.
Yeah.
That's so yummy. What are you looking for, Fuffers? Where's he going?
She's his friends.
To his friends.
Yeah,
Someone's waking up. Thank God for this swing. He only sleeps in there. Ooh. So it has been raining, pouring all day long, so we have not done any fishing. Just been relaxing in the cabin and talking with family, so I haven't really recorded much all weekend, honestly. There is like little tiny bits of sporadic internet up here, but our data doesn't work. So I've tried uploading a vlog the last 2 days and it hasn't gotten past 48%. So I have 2 that will upload once we hit internet. So you'll get 3 vlogs tomorrow. So super exciting stuff.
Jojo broke my airplane apart.
Oh, it looks fine to me.
It looks, well, the paper airplane, it's going to come back soon. It's going to fly the okay. Who gets the winner goes that way, wins already. It's the flying championship.
Show me how you throw it. How you fly it.
It comes back to me every time.
Can you let Jojo have a turn trying to fly it?
Okay, George. From like this, it landed somewhere where I want it to go. Okay, George. Hold on tight and hold on like this. Hold like this.
Good try.
George! That's not the way.
Well, it's our last night here. Have you had a lot of fun? Yeah? Can you take your cheese out of your mouth, please? What has been your favorite thing that we've done this weekend?
I'm doing this, but just not shares me.
Jay didn't share with you. Well, we're not talking about that. I'm asking what your favorite part was this weekend.
Cheese.
Your cheese that you're eating now? Even you like the cheese even more than the candy that you had? You had Airhead or Sour Patch things. Sour straws or whatever they're called. Mommy and Daddy are about to play a game of Rook. Rook. This game. Tournament style, and I haven't played for 2 years, so kind of nervous. Has been a wonderful, wonderful time. I am thankful today that for the relaxing time, even though we didn't get to really see family a whole lot today because of the stinking rain. It poured all day, didn't it?
And there's nummy cheese.
Jeez. This little guy slept for like 4 hours today. That's why he wasn't in much of the vlogs. I promise I love them all equally.
What's this?
That's chicken and a biscuit cheese that we got at the farmer's market.
Ma.
Good. It smells good. But that would make Mommy's tummy hurt. Can you say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, watching.
Mwah.